Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the US dollar CAD, I do think that this is an A. I think it needs to go down for a B, and I think it needs to make a wave C. So, I think right now we're in an A, B, C of wave B, which should have it taken out the low of wave 4 before it potentially makes a bigger move to the upside. So, taking it down to the weekly, because that could take maybe even a year or so to play out. Let's take it down to the weekly, because this is definitely 5 waves down on the weekly, which is why I still think it's wave A. To me, this still looks like 1 up, 3 down, 1 up. I still think it looks like 3 waves up for wave B. And I still believe this is now in a downtrend, which potentially could last a long time, maybe 6, 8 months or more, for a wave C of wave B before it actually does make a bigger move to the upside. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, ever since we had a breaker starter to the downside at the beginning of last week, I've been doing nothing but looking for shorts on shorter time frames. And if you've been doing so also, then you've probably been doing pretty well too. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, the dollar CAD has actually been very, very slow since like the middle of last week. I mean, really, this is not a whole lot of price action going on here. It's kind of just in a veins, but the trend is definitely down. My most recent structure level is actually right here, so as long as it does not do this, then I will definitely do nothing but look for shorts. If it does break structure, then I will definitely look for longs. At some point, it probably is going to have to make a 1 and then break up for a wave 2 and then eventually go back down for a wave 3. But it definitely doesn't have to do that now, and the fact that we haven't really got a fib bounce makes me think that it probably is more likely that it will just keep on trending for now and that the wave 1 is not even over yet. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. Like I said, the US dollar CAD has been extremely rangy, and because of that, I haven't really been trading it for the last week and a half or so. I don't like ranging markets, I like trending markets, and this is definitely pretty rangy. If it does break to the upside, then you could definitely look for longs, though. If it doesn't break to the upside, but continues to, make lower lows and lower highs, then I personally would definitely continue to look for shorts at the end of every single little pullback I see for the continuation of this downtrend. So the trend is your friend. The market will tell you when the trend is over by breaking the most recent structure. Until that happens, I'll just continue to look for shorts on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.